Hey everybody, welcome back to this trip and me explaining to you a little bit more about why I stopped in Dalhart, Texas. So first of all, what I did was when I got to Dalhart, I called to get a weather briefing for the next day, which was going to be Sunday. What I was told was for Sunday morning and for the rest of the day, flight in light aircraft was not recommended. What they were telling me was that there was thermal activity basically from the surface all the way up to 40,000 feet. Airliners reporting moderate to severe turbulence, and they were saying that you could expect a vertical deviation based on the weather of plus or minus 500 feet. Not exactly something I want to take a little Zenith through. So made the decision, stopped for the day in Dalhart, got a decent hotel, stayed overnight, and then got up in the morning, and that's where we pick up this trip right here. So anyways, enough of me talking. Let's follow on to the video.
Dalhart Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1230 Zulu. Wind 240 at 07. Altimeter 3023. Remarks. Density altitude 3,100.
Dalhart traffic is Terminal 8, Lima November is going to take runway 17, be of our departure to the south of Dalhart. Alright, clear final. Right up on center line, let's get out of here. Dalhart traffic, Terminal 8, Lima November is departing the area to the south, Dalhart. Alright everybody, so this is actually the best ground speed I've gotten the whole trip, so I'm at 5,500 feet. I know it's not a VFR cruising altitude, but I'm just hammering on the way up to Dalhart right now. Making 110 knots ground speed, this is awesome. So I knew it was projected a slight tailwind at this altitude, so that's why I chose it. But that's definitely going to help me move along a little bit today, so probably keep it low, leave a 2 carry as well, maybe keep it at about 6,500. But yeah, as soon as I get up here, the windmills, I'll have to climb. But until then, I think I'm going to enjoy this nice high ground speed. Alright everybody, welcome to 2 carry again. Gonna get some fuel and we're gonna bounce out of here. So should be here pretty quick and Experimental 8 Lima November departing runway 8, 2 carry. So I'm now level 7,000 due to terrain and a bunch of fog or haze you can probably see right now, but so it's not going to be much to see for the rest of this flight. Should have just over 45 minutes to get to my turn to head over to Belen, New Mexico, so I'll catch you guys in Belen on the ground. Well, welcome to Belen, Arizona. Or, I'm sorry, Belen, New Mexico.
Because I know my life is just going to love it. I mean, why wouldn't you want that poster? Isn't that just awesome? Anyways, let's head out from Belen. Let's get to Taylor, Arizona.
So I've been flying now for just about an hour, and it looks like I've got 71 nautical miles left to get to Taylor, Arizona. Been a little bit bumpy, but not too bad. I had to do a couple little diverts for terrain, but otherwise it's been a fairly straightforward flight out here. Right now I'm level 9,000, and it's just been kind of smooth for the last about 5-10 minutes. So again, we'll see you guys in Taylor. Everybody, welcome to Taylor, Arizona. Get a feeling that I'm going to keep going today, or I'm calling it a day, because it is questionable. Not sure of the answer yet. Yeah, definitely not sure of that answer yet. 8,500. En route to Chandler. Should be a 1 hour flight. Anyways, it should be a fairly smooth flight. Well, fairly being the optimum term. But just 1 hour down to Chandler. We've got some gas and then make our way down to Yuma. Get home tonight. That's going to be awesome.
Terminal 8 Lima November, please call traffic passing right in the beam 1 mile. Behind that traffic, right turn on course Chandler's approved at or above 3,500.
Roger, 8 Lima November, and I have traffic in sight. Whew, it is fun to fly in last Bravo airspace with this much flight training going on. Alright everybody, final leg home. 1.5 hours and this trip is officially in the bag.
Runway Lima November, right turn approved, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 8 Lima November. Well everybody, it's been a long trip, but I've got about another, about 45 minutes to an hour left. Finally get home to Somerton. You have no idea how much I am glad to be home. Haven't seen my family since Wednesday of last week. Today's Monday, Columbus Day. So, anyways, looking forward to getting home, actually sleeping in my own bed, hanging out with my family, putting the plane away. It's been fun flying, but you know what, 10 hours in a day is a little much for me. So, anyways, catch you on the ground in Yuma.